Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. One of the questions I got last week was, how do I stabilize the barrel of my FPC to remove, change, or add a muzzle device? Well, on Amazon, I got this barrel block, is what I call it. I don't remember the name of it. I'll put the link below. But this particular barrel block will fit 3-inch vices, and that's what I use here because it's pretty small and simple. It does a job just fine. Don't need an expensive 8 or 6-inch, $200 vise. This $30 one does the same damn thing for me. But generally, this is what I'll use because it is nice and solid in here. It's not going anywhere, and I can wrench on this and do what I need to do. So there you go. Very short, sweet, and simple. This barrel block with a vise and your vise stand, or if it's on a table, that's fine too. I got the vise stand at Harbor Freight for 50 bucks, $29 for the vise, 3-inch vise, 31 bucks for the barrel block off of Amazon. And you can work this and be just fine. You won't screw anything up. One thing I'll tell you is keep your barrel closer to the block at the end of it here. I actually will shorten this up about another inch just so you don't bend anything if you're wrenching too much. So pay attention to what you're doing. If you have any questions related to this, please let me know and I'll help you out. But this is how I stabilize my muzzles or barrels on the FPC, my ARs, any of my rifles basically, and the ARs. I did say that, sorry. ARs, the response, that's what I meant. And the FPC, I use this right here. 31 bucks on Amazon. I'll post the links below. You guys have a good day.